And there he comes. Santa is here, straight from North Pole.
सही है चिन्ह आ गया ये
Yeah, Chinmay आ गया, ऋषि भी आ गया. Of the start of Christmas here in Adelaide and music celebration. Hello and welcome back to another day's vlog. Today I'm here at the city to attend the Christmas pageant, which is the Christmas parade here in Adelaide. So let's get going. It is 6 a.m. in the morning and this is King William Street, which is the main street here in the CBD, and it's completely jam-packed and blocked by people. And that is the Adelaide Town Hall, which is decorated with a giant bow. We are nearly at Victoria Square, which is the starting point of the pageant. And the weather is unpredictable because it was raining like 5 minutes ago. Now it's sunny, and that's the first view of the areas. And that's a giant Christmas tree. So this is the giant Christmas tree, which will mark, whose lighting will mark the start of Christmas in Adelaide. And we are heading to the start point of the parade. It's pretty early in the morning, 8 a.m. and a lot of people have started coming in. A lot of kids are there. So this is Victoria Square, which is like one of the important landmarks here at Adelaide and right at the heart of the city. So those are the sitting arrangements that have been done for people, and there's a lot of crowd over here. All the roads in the city are blocked today. It's for the crowd and public to go out, draw on the streets, walk, celebrate. Kids are playing, families have got their picnic tables. So everyone is excited for the parade. I have never seen Adelaide more crowded. In fact, I didn't know that Adelaide had so many people. But it feels good to see so many people over here early in the morning, all gathered here to kick off Christmas. So we'll just wait until the parade gets started. So there are 2 odd hours left for the pageant to start. So we just come to the Central Market to grab some coffee. I don't have coffee or any kind of drinks, but Rishi wants a coffee. I'll probably look for some kind of food. 9:15 in the morning, and there's still 15 minutes left for the parade to start. Rishi has grabbed some coffee. I have grabbed a strawberry and a banana, and we are going back to the parade area. And there you go. The parade starts, and let us go find a better place from where we can get a view. So the Christmas pageant is basically a Christmas parade with a lot of tableaus, floats, Christmas floats that will pass through here, and a lot of people will be performing, doing some acts. So it's going to be very exciting. Let's see how it goes. From what I see, a lot of people have participated across age groups. There are like very old people, young kids. Everyone has participated and is having fun over here. And here come our superheroes. All these tableaus probably have some theme that they've picked up, and based on which they have decorated their cards and dressed up. So really exciting. This is the first time I'm attending a Christmas parade, so obviously new for me, and I don't know what to expect. So it's not just the Aussies who participate, but also all the different communities of immigrants staying here in Australia who participate and showcase their culture. So that's the inclusivity that is shown in these parades. We were pretty ahead towards the start of the parade, and we felt that a lot of things would probably get more exciting once we come towards the end. So we're just walking towards the middle phase or the end of the
Not bad, not bad. I think we can do it one more time. Sophia, help me out.
Bollywood is everywhere, even in parades in Adelaide. I never thought I would see this in a Christmas parade. We are getting close to the end of the parade and I'm told there's going to be Santa coming in, so I'm really looking forward to that. And there he comes. Santa is here, straight from North Pole. It's the next day, and I'm here at Victoria Square for the giant Christmas tree lighting. And it's basically the biggest Christmas tree here in the southern hemisphere. So there's a festival kind of scenario over here. There are a lot of stalls, food stalls, and a lot of people have gathered for the celebrations. So let's just go ahead and walk around. Here you can see a lot of food stalls around, and that side is the celebrations going on. And this is what it looks like right now. Too crowded, seems to be like entire Adelaide is over here. And that's the Christmas tree over there, which is the largest Christmas tree here in the southern hemisphere. So let's go explore around and let's see what's happening. Yeah, Chinmay aa gaya, Rishi bhi aa gaya. So the lighting ceremony has been done, and this is how pretty it looks. A lot of people over here, and it was a good event to kick off the start of Christmas here in Adelaide. And music, celebrations, everything is going on. Lights, it's all decorated. The city is decorated. And that, guys, is the largest tree in the southern hemisphere. A lot of people, everyone's enjoying the vibes good. And that's it for today. We'll see you on another vlog.